Hi, I'm Tom Gervais. I lead the downstream group in MSAT here at Samsung Biologics. I'm originally from New York in the United States, and I've been at Samsung Biologics since July 2018. I work in the MSAT group, which is Manufacturing Sciences and Technology, and we're responsible for being the technical interface between the client and Samsung Biologics. I specifically work in the downstream group, and we're responsible for the purification processes for the clients. We have laboratories where we do small-scale verification of the client's processes, and we also do the facility fit of the large-scale process into the plant. Well, SBL is a contract manufacturing organization, so it's different from my past companies I've worked for, and that really means that Samsung doesn't own the medicines or the processes to make the medicines. What we own is the equipment, and we have the responsibility to make the medicines according to the client's instructions and process descriptions. How do we handle those differences? We communicate much with the client, trying to understand what's important, what's not important, to really make sure that we're doing things that they would like us to do to manufacturing the medicines according to their procedures. Having good scientific and technical training is the main qualification. Being able to, think logically, be able to solve problems, it's also very useful for the job, and being able to communicate well. Especially with communicating with a lot of different companies that we work with across the globe, in the United States, Western Europe, and here in Asia too. Again, someone who's inquisitive, someone who's intelligent, thinks logically, can solve problems easily, enjoys solving problems, and can create a rationale why we're doing what we're doing. Just all the intelligent, engaged people that I get an opportunity to work with. I really enjoy working with a lot of the people here. They really want to learn, and they really want to excel. Yes, I would recommend SBL. It's a great opportunity. The company's expanding and growing, and so there's a lot of room here to grow, both professionally and personally. And also living in a different culture and being able to experience life in that manner is actually quite rare, and enjoying it so far. Just make sure that whatever you decide to do, commit to it. No half measures.